In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Zoho Books with our full 2025 guide. If you're looking to streamline your accounting processes and secure your financial data, this guide will provide you with the clear step-by-step instructions you need. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage your financial records and perform all necessary accounting operations. Once you've logged into your account, locate the dashboard by navigating to the main menu. This is a great starting point because it provides a clear overview of your financial activities and helps in easily accessing various features of Zoho Books. Next, you'll want to find the menu item labeled Accountant. This section is specifically designed for accounting tasks, and it houses all the tools you need for managing your books effectively. Clicking on Accountant will lead you to a curated set of options that are tailored for accountants, making it your go-to section for all related tasks. Now, let's focus on the transaction locking feature. This is a vital step in ensuring your accounts remain secure and intact. Transaction locking allows you to lock down transactions to prevent any unwanted modifications. Clicking on transaction locking will open a new interface where you can begin the process of securing your transaction data. Once you are in the transaction locking section, you can proceed to choose the specific transaction you wish to lock. This selection is crucial as it enables you to focus on a particular transaction that requires extra security. If you are dealing with sensitive information or have finalized data that should not be altered, selecting the right transaction is important. After making your transaction selection, look for the lock button and click it. This step is straightforward, yet it's the key action that activates the locking process for the chosen transaction. It signals the system to prepare for further instructions regarding the locking parameters. The next action requires you to select a lock date and provide a reason for the lock. The lock date allows you to specify from when you want the transaction to be protected. It's essential for record keeping and audit trails, helping you provide a timeline for each locking action you perform. Accompanying this with a reason provides context for the lock, which can be invaluable for future reference or for other personnel who might inquire about the changes. Finally, with all your selections made and reasons documented, proceed by clicking on Lock. This final step will secure your transaction as planned. Completing the process, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your data is now locked and shielded from any unintended changes. And there you have it. You've successfully locked a transaction in Zoho Books, ensuring your financial data is as secure and robust as possible. Remember, using these features not only secures your data, but also enhances the efficiency and professionalism of your accounting practices.